Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve any problem that you have on Messenger. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger server error, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about the application of Messenger. Then you will enter to first stop and you click OK. After that we go to click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.